Welcome to my world this morning. I spent half my time on my hands and knees or on my back. I didn't mean it that way. Yeah, because we need to tile under here. Obviously I'm having to take all these legs off. And we need to cut them, because obviously they're too long now. And then we have to replace them all back once all the tiling's done. So we need to do it in stages. Same as over this side as well, same thing. Because obviously we've increased the floor height by 1.5 centimetres on average. So yeah, everything has to come off. Everything has to be cut. Everything has to go back on again. Yeah. Just thought I'd throw that in there for something I'm doing today. Have a good one again. I've got the client outside here. Look, he's cleaning the outside terrace that we laid several years back. Say morning, Alan. Morning. That's about it. He's not even looking at us. Anyway, we've had to lay this in stages, this kitchen, because obviously it's been high traffic at the time. So this is the third set of lays that we've had. And obviously we've had to take the legs off because I want to get the tiles underneath the units, and now I need to cut them all and then lay the last of these tiles. We finished grouting this corner this morning, so we'll be putting the furniture back later on this afternoon. But yeah, all the lounge is getting done now. There's furniture a bit everywhere. This floor was originally tiled and we've now levelled it off because it had a threshold clip there. We've done into the bedroom, but it's full of furniture yet. And again, this room here, oh, a bit of dust and all round here's been done. So yeah, we'll be finishing the tiling today. Happy? So, we're finished up here now. We came back this morning to finish up a bit of cleaning and spot checking, as it were. So yeah, we're done. We'll show you as much as we can show you with the amount of furniture in here, because it was a bit of a pain. But yeah, it's all been done now. Except the clients here scraping off the painting in here today. Yes. Considering what we had to work with, yeah, pleased. Even the kitchen area, you can see that we tiled and grouted completely underneath now. Everywhere. Oh, sorry about the client's feet. So all the legs have had to be cut, screwed back on, and we're all done. Another fine job done by professionals.
Thank you very much, Paul.